Alrighty. Well, I was able to find this harness in the boat. Drag it up through the front. Now I have to connect it to these so his trim will work. Yeah, boy. It's going up fast. Slow down.
Oh, stop for a second.
Guys, another oil container maybe?
Let's check to make sure the valve is closed here.
Oh. Thank you very much.
Oh, crap it is.
It is closed?
Yep. So looking low on oil, so. Hit.
Fire! We call him Hercules around here.
Oh, see, it's leaking. So go get some fluid and throw it in here. Well, and use the right screwdriver, I guess. I'm not gonna damage it.
Good flathead. You want to use an impact gun. This is. Oh, just filling up. Impact armor. Get that screw out. Before I get you carried away. It's moving very slowly.
So the tilt is operating but not going up.
The tilt is operating now, but it's leaking out of that spot where you're supposed to loosen it. I got it to finally function, but now it's
No, that's right.
now it's leaking. So if you go up and down, you can verify.
So then 2 with that one. All right, no, well, we can't have a leak in there. That's not good. So,
I know.
I'll spin that out. It could just be, well, it's broken O-ring is what it is. What? Oh, it's still bleeding. Nose is bleeding. All right, so there's a snap ring that's in there. That has to come out first. Then we pull that valve out.
Okay.
Okay, have at her. It's tiny. Tiny.
So this was the snap ring holding me in. That was the frustration I was feeling.
And there's supposed to be an O-ring that's around there, and it's
Not there.
gone. It's down in our train. So I'll go find an O-ring.
Alrighty, time for the gear case.
So it looks like we're. Oh, anyway, what's this here? This.
That's a little rubber grommet that was supposed to go on there, no?
No. The grommet for this one goes below the pump. This was already all together.
Oh, well, there was one sitting on the.
Yeah, but this is off of a different engine.
Take that out.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. That goes below this anyway.
Wouldn't that just help?
No. Well, you'll never line the pipe up. You'd have to have it so exact that. Right. Now, is it in below it though? Oh. Take a look. Well, use your light. I can't help. It's not like it's there, but. Oh yeah, here. Okay.
Look at that. Hard at work, eh? Get a zoom in. What's wrong?
I had a bolt in another container and the container fell over.
And now the bolt's
Now the
missing.
bolt is gone.
What kind of bolt? Like that, the one that holds the shifter together?
The very good thing. No threads on it for a bit. Alrighty. Now we just got this shifter bolt to install. Try and show you where it goes here. In the back, right behind those hoses, you can kind of see where the rod's coming up. That's where I gotta be working.
Alright, whenever we have a Johnson or an Evinrude that doesn't want to shift properly, we don't want to try and force it. There's two nylon pieces in there as a can, and they have to mesh like this. Okay? So what's probably happened is someone shifted the engine without it running, then they skip. So now what we're doing by attempting to get it to shift, we're pushing those nylon pieces together and possibly breaking. So what we want to do is take that shifter apart, check and see if they're lined up. If they're not lined up, line them up, and if they are lined up, then we check cables. Okay? So let's go ahead and open up that control box and see where we're at.
Alright, well, after taking it apart, you can clearly see that I am able to shift and go fully through the range of motion in forward, but in reverse, I get stuck without being able to go past the D10. So what I need to do now is take out this pin as well as the cable and see if I can push this cable back through. If I can indeed do that, then we have an issue with the control box. If I'm unable to push this back through, then what I'm going to have to do is pull this cable out, go grab a replacement cable, and fasten it back in right here. Looks like they're broken. No, it looks like they're broken.
When they're broken because they've been shifting without a rod. Let me see it.
So, as you can now see, I have the cable out. I am able to push and pull freely, thus meaning it is not our cable. It's going to be the control box. So if you look under here, right under here, can't really see it, but I'll get a better angle for you. Right here is a little nipple that goes into these as it shifts. Unfortunately, we only have one where this big wheel is actually supposed to have, I believe it is 3. One here, as well as one up here. So, next thing to do, go down to the back and see if we have another one of these big wheels.
Yeah, so we'll just take this guy's out. So we need that. So our concern is this big red connector. So this big red connector matches the connector that's on his boat. This control box will work.